Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. I'm going to do a video walkthrough for you on our 2020 MasterCraft XStar. This boat is Corsair blue with silver metal flake. Excuse me. It has the cool feel beach tan interior with Corsair as a second accent and silver as a third base. This boat is equipped with the Z4 tower, the Klish speakers on the tower, with the advanced audio system. Coming on into the cockpit here, we do have the starboard pop-up seat, which can also go down. Under here you got the built-in cooler, stores right in there. This whole bench lifts up for big storage here. You got the big flip-up rear-facing seat. Over here in the captain's chair, you have the dual audio screen for all your controls and functionality to run all the surf systems, wakeboarding, and just driving. As you can tell, this boat has really cool featuring. It's got the fins over here on the dash speakers. It's got the black trim around the garbage can, the black trim around the billet door. It gives this boat some really cool styling on the XStar. On the bow here, you have the flip-down armrests, lots of space here, anchor holder, cup holders. You got the Klish speakers up front. You got the nice fin features here also for styling. And then you have a front cleat here to throw your anchor off of or tie off the boat. This boat has the 6.2 liter, 430 horsepower Ilmore engine. Plenty of horsepower for wake surf and wakeboarding. It's a 4,100 pounds of ballast on this boat. Huge surf wave. One of the best wakeboard boats in the industry. The XStar is. Come and check out this amazing 2020 MasterCraft XStar at Greenville, MarineMax, or check us out at MarineMaxGreenville.com.